Dear friends, there are moments in life when you realize that you are writing the last chapter of a great story. About 5 years ago, it all began with a mobile phone, an idea, and an immense desire. There was only the need to create, to share, and above all, to discover. That's how this channel was born. Over the years, new adventures arrived. Technology became the language with which I could tell stories, and of course, drones have always been present. They changed the way I see the world because when you fly a drone, you also raise your perspective. You discover that there is beauty where before you only saw routine, that each sunrise deserves to be seen from another angle, and that each landscape has a story waiting to be told. And while my drones flew, so did my dreams. Dreams that would never have been possible without all of you. Because behind every view, there is you. Behind every like, every message of encouragement, every constructive criticism, and every conversation in the comments, there is always someone making this journey worthwhile. Over these 5 years, we have traveled miles, tested countless devices, experienced launches, been excited by new technologies, and shared moments that I will never forget. There is something wonderful about life. It never stops offering you new horizons. And there comes a time when continuing to move forward also means knowing when to change direction. And this, dear friends, does not mean abandoning what has always been a part of me. I am simply setting sail for a new sky, because as long as there is a horizon to discover, there will always be a reason to fly again. Today I'm closing a very important stage in my life. A stage that has made me grow as a creator, as a professional, and above all, as a person. And do not see it as a farewell marked by sadness. It is a farewell full of gratitude. Because if today I can look back with pride, it is thanks to everything we have experienced together, thanks to each video, each mistake, each success, each flight, and each one of you. The reasons are simple. Life changes, and priorities evolve. I will continue to look at the sky with the same excitement as the first day. I will continue to feel that magical moment when the engines start to turn and the world gradually falls beneath my feet. Because, dear friends, some dreams never end, they simply change course. So today I don't want this video to be a goodbye. I prefer it to be the last flight of an unforgettable stage. Because, dear friends, believe me when I tell you that true success never consisted of getting more views or getting more subscribers or having the best technology. True success was discovering that by sharing my passion, I found wonderful, incredible people on the other side of the screen. Your love will remain with me forever, ever. Thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you for taking off with me, and thank you. Above all, thank you very much for showing me that dreams, when shared, can go much further than one imagined. Today, MarvelyMaker completes its last flight. But remember this, stories don't end. When they land, they end when we stop daring to take off. And I still have many skies to conquer. Okay guys, this isn't definitive. We'll continue uploading content, especially because we have pending work to upload. However, I wanted to say goodbye because I won't be as active as I have been up to now. I'm gonna have some projects and work that will keep me quite busy, but we have commitments, we have products that need to be presented, and that's why we'll continue here. So if you had unsubscribed, hit the subscribe button and the bell again because there may be a little surprise. So if you had unsubscribed, hit the subscribe button and the bell again because there may be a little surprise. I just wanted to thank you for all these years with this farewell video, just in case I suddenly disappear. I already have the video done. You know what I mean. See you next time.